अस्सलामुअलैकुम। इस वीडियो लेक्चर में हम NTDC असिस्टेंट लाइनमैन कंप्लीट सोल्ड पेपर हेल्ड ऑन जो 29/7/2024 को हुआ था, इसके MCQs को डिस्कस करेंगे। नेम द प्रॉफिट हुज नेम इज डिस्कस्ड मोस्ट इन द होली कुरान। हज़रत मूसा अलैहिस्सलाम। ऑब्जर्वेशन ऑफ इत्काफ इन रमज़ान इन सुन्नत। आफ्टर Tufan Nuh, Hazrat Nuh alayhi salam boat stopped at a mountain. What is the name of this mountain? Kohjodi. The Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam entered Medina at the time of Hijrat while reciting dash Surah Al-Fatah. Which prophet was titled as Zabiullah? Hazrat Ismail alayhi salam. Which Ghazwa was fought in 7th Hijrah? Ghazwa Khaybar. The place chosen to sacrifice Hazrat Ismail alayhi salam was Mina. Who among the companions Sahaba listened to the whole of the Quran from the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam? Abdullah bin Mas'ud radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. How many times the mother of Hazrat Ismail alayhi salam ran from hill of Safa to Marwa in search of water? 7 times. Where the Torah was revealed on Hazrat Musa alayhi salam? Koitur. Vasco da Gama was the native of Portugal. Wimbledon is a place connected with tennis. Indus Water Treaty was signed by India and Pakistan. Which of the following crops needs maximum water per hectare? Sugarcane. On 29th May 1988, General Zia-ul-Haq dismissed the government of Muhammad Khan Junejo. Area-wise, which province is the biggest of all provinces? Balochistan. Pakistan won the Cricket World Cup 1992 under the captain of Imran Khan. Simla Pact was signed in 2 July 1972. K2 is the dash biggest peak of the world. Second, Pakistan will never be found lacking in extending support to the oppressed and suppressed peoples of the world and upholding the principles of the UN character are the words expressed in 1948 by Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Alexandria is the seaport of Egypt. Which is the highest battleground on earth? Siachen Glacier. The youngest mountain range in the world is Himalayas. In the early hours of September 6, Indian forces crossed the international boundary between Pakistan and India and launched attack on Sialkot. Raja Dair was defeated by Muhammad bin Qasim. If it takes a machine 1/3 of a minute to produce one atom, how many atoms will it produce in 10 minutes? 30. If 2x plus y is equal to 5, then 4x plus 2y is equal to 10. If a varies inversely with y and for x is equal to 4, y is equal to 16, then find the value of x for y is equal to 8. 8. If the average of 5 numbers is 10 and the sum of 3 of the number is 16, then what is the average of the other two numbers? 17. 25 is 125% of what number? 20. When x is subtracted from 20 and the difference is divided by 5, the result is 4. What is the value of x? 0. The average of 29 scores is 50. The average of the first 14 scores in 52 and that of the last 14 is 49. These what is the 18th scores? 36. What is the angle between two hands of the clock at 11 o'clock? 30 degree. By selling a watch for 144, a man loses 10%. At what price should be sell it in order to gain 15%? 184. What is the least number that should be added to 7,819 78967 so that is divisible by 77? 35. How many different 4-student committee can be chosen from a panel of 12 students? 495. The property of the wire used for making high resistivity and low melting temperature. In case of electrical shock, what kind of first aid should be provided to the person providing oxygen? A common method of protection is used to a dash is the lighting circuit. Fuse. The dash is the basis of relays and motors and generators. Magnetic effect. The dash is used to indicate the amount of current flowing to and from the battery. Ammeter. The unit used for electrical power is watt. Which of the following is not a factor affecting the resistance of a material? Pressure exerted by material on smooth surface. What should be the effect on load if the frequency of electricity is doubled? More power transferred in load. A quantity known as dash indicates the total resistance of the circuit. Equivalent resistance. In the electrical companies there must be fire safety to avoid danger. Commonly used equipment is fire extinguisher. The storage battery provides electrical energy through dash chemical reactions. What is the unit of measurement of inductance? Henry. In a gas line vehicle, the dash tends to prevent and or the context. Spark plug. Materials that block flow of electrons are called insulators. The material are called conductor if the electrons can move easily. Dash may be used to reduce current flow and at the same time may act to lower voltage level within circuits. Resistors. Dash is a phenomena of exactly zero electrical resistance and expels of magnetic field occurring in certain material when cooled below a critical temperature. Superconductivity. For high current flow in electrical circuits, one needs thick conductors. As the value of AWC increases, the thickness of wire decreases. In electrical cables, AVG stands for American Wear Gauge. Dash refers to the rate at which energy is supplied and converted by the appliance or circuit power. In a parallel circuit, the charge which passes through one resistor will dash through the other resistors. Not pass resistors which are connected in dash are connected with side by side fashion such that the charge approaching the resistor will split up into two or more different paths. Parallel, which one of the following devices stores energy within itself in the form of magnetic field? Inductor. Current flowing in a conductor will set up magnetic field around the conductor. The strength of the magnetic field is determined by dash how much current in flowing. A dash consists of two conductors separated by a non-conductive region. Capacitor. Dash is a component conductor current in one direction usually. Diode. Which one of the following is an insulator material? Proline. Battery of a vehicle is charged due to is a chemical effect. Before measuring value of unknown voltage or frequency by oscilloscopes, it must be calibrated voltage wise and time wise. This dash is unit used for electrical generator or transformer to express its value capacity. kVA. A dash is a semiconductor component that can either be used as switch and or amplifier. Transistors. Ohm law states that is a closed circuit current is proportional to the dash and inversely proportional to the dash voltage resistance. The voltage dash is used in a vehicle to control the voltage produced at the output of the alternator regulator. A dash is an electrical circuit offering little or no resistance to the flow of electrons. Short circuit. Liquids that conduct an electric current are called electrotypes. A measure of the ability of a material to resist the flow of as electric current is called as resistivity. A resistor current device RCD is widely used in electrical circuits for shock safety. Heat applied to a thermocouple will cause a small electromotive force and therefore a small current to flow. Practical use of this is mainly in instrument. Always select dash range of the current meter while measuring current of unknown where maximum. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my YouTube channel Exams with Munawwar.